how to make qualified and cost-effective machine available all over the world. It has always been considered by us. When it comes to Junyi laser, stability, durability, and high-cost performance are regarded as key words, and the belief of stable machine has been deeply rooted in every Junyi member's heart. The production base, more than 30,000 square meters, is equipped with a complete set of advanced processing equipment. To ensure timely supply and quality control, we make full use of modern machining workshops, annealing workshops, pattern workshops, and assembly workshops. Junyi laser is strict with details and craftsmanship, from basement manufacturing to assembly line to technical testing. Each set of equipment has been checked at various levels so as to strive for excellence. The success of Junyi laser is inseparable from the silent contribution of staff, and it is also enjoying the benefit of customers' trust and recognition. The innovation of laser technology has promoted the progress of metal-related industries. Junyi laser is well known in many industries, such as automatic manufacturing, machinery manufacturing, furniture and architecture industry, and sheet metal processing, etc. Junyi laser insists on starting from reality, providing effective solutions for the needs of different industries, perfecting and implementing the promised pre-sales, in-sales, and after-sales service. With dedicated service and excellent quality, Junyi laser's equipment has been well received and sold to dozens of countries and regions in Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, South America, and so on. The market share and repurchase rate have increased year by year. Junyi laser, a brand made with heart. Look forward to working with you in the future.